Welcome to WallSmart's training webinar. In this webinar, we will go over important information you need to start working with the WallSmart wall mounts. So let's begin. WallSmart has three main product lines: new construction, retrofit, and solid surface. New construction mounts are supplied unpainted to be painted with the wall finish. All these mounts are designed for half-inch drywall unless specified otherwise. To install these mounts in 5/8 drywall, you simply need to use our 1/8 shim pack, which is sold separately. For big screens, such as 15 and 22 inch, you will need to use 2 shim packs per mount. A concrete or brick wall installation is also optional. You will need to use a concrete box or adapter that is sold separately as well. Retrofit mounts. The retrofit mounts were born from the field when dealers asked us to develop a new mount that is as flush as possible but that requires no drywall or paintwork, for cases you do not have time for construction or last-minute installation. That is when we developed our quick installation retrofit mounts. They are perfect for easy upgrades from older devices or for speedy installations. The mounts are nearly flush, protrude 0.16 inches out of the wall, and they are supplied with a bezel that is either painted black, white, or unpainted to be painted with the wall finish. Solid surface mounts. These mounts are designed for installation in solid surfaces such as wood, metal, marble, glass, partition walls, etc. These mounts have depth calibration to match the depth of the solid surface, and they require routing in the solid surface. WallSmart provides the DXF for the carpenter to make the hole in the solid board. These mounts are installed from the back of the wall, so for the installation, you will need access to the back of the surface. A few good to know facts. Our mounts are made of moisture-resistant MDF that is chemically treated. All control devices are accessible for daily use and service. If needed, they can be custom-made to order with a hidden lock for a more commercial use. Each mount is specific, taking into consideration audio, thermal, and other engineering requirements. We will get to that in a second. The WallSmart mounts for iPad and Samsung are supplied with a PoE to USB converter. Most of the WallSmart mounts have audio grills. The grills are little holes that enable speakers and microphones to work properly. We do have some versions without the grills that we call NG, meaning no grill. All the mounts for line voltage are designed to be used with a UL-specific faceplate, such as Lutron designer-style décor faceplate. Customization. WallSmart always customizes products for our customers' requirements, so if you can't find a mount that fits your project's requirements, please approach us. As mentioned, each mount is specific, taking into consideration the device's audio, thermal, and peripherals requirements. What this means is that a WallSmart mount that fits a 7-inch device by a specific brand, for example, will not suit another device that is similar in size by another brand. Here you can see two great examples for this. The top is the Crestron that has lots of peripherals that needed to be installed with the device, and the bottom you can see the Philips Dynalight keypad. This keypad has wall wash effect when you approach it, so we needed the light to be shown even when installed flush in wall. That is why we developed the mount with a special material around it that enables the wall wash effect to be seen even while installed flush in wall. Here you can see two more examples. The top is the voice control system Josh Micro, which requires the maximal sound path. The mount was developed with custom audio grills, and thorough testing has been done to ensure consistently powerful user experience. The bottom is the Arachnis access point, which is installed in ceiling. The depth of the device and its Wi-Fi spectrum were taken into consideration when determining the optimal orientation of an access point in each mount. Here you can see some of our customers' installations of new construction, retrofit, and solid surface mounts. We love posting customers' installation photos on our social media, so if you have any lifestyle images, installation photos, please send them over and we'll post them up and tag your company. We try to keep everything on our website, so all product information is right there, including spec sheets, frequently asked questions, installation videos, and of course, our full online catalog. Please go on our website for any technical information you need about our products. Thank you for watching our webinar.